Greetings everybody again. Now last time we had left off building a functioning water tower. Today we're going to continue building a functional water tower. And in doing so, now let me show you what we've got so far. If I gotta get out of here first somehow. Oh, well here we are. Okay, so you guys know about this. Which, I put lava through here, so that kind of messed some things up. Okay, so you guys know about this. Now we need to go... I've added it to Tyler's house, and I've added it to Mr. Awesome's old house. Here we are. Time will set the day. Check this out. These are pipes, and this is oddly satisfying. First I gotta go up here. There's Tyler's house. And there's a shower and bath that works just like what you just saw there, so I'm not gonna bother showing you right now. But eventually I'm gonna have this running off of one power supply thing, where I can control it from the ground. We do that. Okay, we do that. Let it flow. Then we do that. And then we just get to watch as it fills from one source block in that water tower. So after that one fills, go on. Okay, I'm gonna open that. Now the home shall have water. Look at that. Look how amazing that is. It's very oddly satisfying. That just follows the tubes. So one house is full of water. That one's about to be full of water. Now. And now this one is also having running water. Tyler's big old house. So right now I haven't quite figured it out. Because I don't really want the tubes showing. But for right now they will. So I can't really make a system like this that works underground. So we're just going to continue off of that. See this one over here, I could just run this. Let's make another bathroom. Where do I want a bathroom? Where's Tyler's house? Right there. So this would be a bedroom. So why not just put one in here? Huh? Okay, so that will be the bathroom. Oh yeah, that's definitely working. Excellent. That's excellent. E. Beautiful. That's still a lot of piping. I'm not wondering if I can try to kind of hide some of the pipes. I think that works. Man, look at that. We've come a long way from the beginning of this. If I flip that switch, all that water goes off. Turns it all off. Imagine I'm going to end up feeding this water through every single building here. What happened here? Alright, I'm going to end that episode here, guys, and we'll see you in the next one where we're probably going to be cleaning Mineopolis. So, adios.